So the first thing I'm doing is just to make sure I'm removing the peel from the beans, which I do in this way. This is the only way I know how to do it. I don't know of any other way. And the next thing is just to wash the beans to make sure you remove the peel. I do mine by adding water and then sieving. And then I'm just going to add more water. It's just basically the same thing, adding water, sieving, adding water, making sure the peels are coming up and making sure there are no stones, sand and and then I'm adding my crayfish, onions and pepper, and I'm blending. I added my seasoning, salt, and I'm mixing this all together. And you can see it's kind of a thick mix. And I'm going to be putting this in my hot oil. The oil has to be hot, not very, very hot, but hot enough because you want it to fry well. And the next thing I'm doing is just making sure that the akara is not sticking to my fry pan. My fry pan isn't a non-stick, so I have to make sure it's not sticking to my fry pan so that it will fry. Every part of the akara would fry well. And right here, I'm just flipping the akara to make sure the back and the front fries. You just have to be monitoring it, that's just it, so that it won't burn, it will fry well. You check the fire whether it's okay and all that. And my akara is ready. I'm just putting this into my drainer to just make sure the oil, there are no extra oil. We don't want plenty oil on the akara. I'm putting this in my food flask. This will help you to keep it hot and warm and blah blah blah. And that is it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I eat my repap. I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, bye.